This plate brings two Filipino favorites together. The Kinilaw hits with citrus, chili, and clean ocean sweetness, while the fried dish adds that smoky, crunchy bite. Every scoop of Kinilaw is fresh and sharp, and every piece of fried meat or seafood delivers pure comfort. Served on banana leaves, this combo is the perfect balance of raw brightness and cooked richness. Whether you mix them together or enjoy them separately, Kinilaw plus fried always delivers big appetite energy and pure coastal joy. And the best part is how the flavors play together. The Kinilaw cuts through the richness of the fried dish, and the fried adds warmth and crunch to every citrusy bite of the Kinilaw. It's a combo that wakes up your appetite, keeps every spoon exciting, and turns a simple meal into a full-blown Filipino feast. This is the kind of plate that makes you sit down, smile, and enjoy every bite.